All right, we're going to just cover all chicken fires for 2023. All right, we're going to go to the largest. All right, 100,000 chickens in Connecticut, 200,000 in Delaware, 500 chickens in Indiana, 100,000 chickens in Kentucky, 18,000 in Maryland. You got another 10,000 chickens in Missouri, 1,000 chickens in Nebraska, and you got another 20,000 chickens in Ohio. All right, so another 16,000 in Virginia. So you wonder all these chickens that are being killed. You wonder why your food prices are going up. All right, chicken deaths in 2023 causing food prices to go up.